Watch how easy it is to pay via HSBC FPX. FPX is a secure and reliable online payment gateway that enables you to pay for your online purchases hassle-free, secure and reliable, anytime, anywhere. A variety of merchants, free. Step 1. Shop on your favorite online merchandise by selecting Online Banking or search for FPX logo when checkout. Then select HSBC as your preferred bank option. Step 2. Log on and select an account you wish to make a transfer from. Step 3. Review your details and proceed to verify via SMS OTP. For transaction RM10,000 and below, you will need to verify via the SMS OTP. For transaction RM10,000 and above, you will need to follow the steps to get the transaction verification code in order to generate the security code. Now you're all done. It will show that you have successfully made the transaction. Start using FPX to pay your online purchases in just a few taps.